No, I don't want a red.
That's what we're gonna do here with these concrete things. Are we gonna do the...
Well, our budget is very tight on this one because I bought it too expensive.
You overpaid?
No, I wouldn't say I overpaid, but we just can't go crazy on the
Really?
on the scope. Yeah.
So no, nothing on the concrete things?
Oh, maybe we'll do our stamped
We
square.
always say we can't go over, but
Yeah,
we'll see.
we like nice stuff, right?
Yeah,
That's why our stuff sells.
exactly.
But okay, well, the RV on this
Alright.
one is 560-ish, 569, 579. She is a total of 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and around, I want to say 2,600 square feet.
Yeah, we're gonna keep the red brick and the red trim and the red roof.
No, I don't want a red. We're gonna add some nice, get rid of the shutters, paint the brick in the front, and a spotlight on the tree, so it will look beautiful at night. We're keeping the windows. We're just gonna replace the glass and paint everything black trims.
These windows.
But yeah, she's
Very pretty.
gonna be great.
Very spacious.